guys, so this is our Resinzwood glass coat resin. This is what we use to finish all our tabletops, and we also use this for resin art because it is amazing for resin art. And what we're going to do is we're just mixing this up now, and this is going to go into the Philippine Island table. So we're just giving it another layer, and we're just going to put in a little bit more white water effects, and then once that's done tomorrow we're going to start stacking up with all our trees and branches and bits and pieces for the coastal island, put some little boats and everything else into there. So when you're mixing the resin, guys, really important, give it a really good mix it thoroughly all the way through. Make sure you wipe down the sides of the bucket. Generally what I like to do is I like to calculate the resin volume, calculate the hardener, put it into two separate containers, put the hardener in first, so the hardener is actually lining the side of the bucket, so then when you put the resin in, you aren't going to have this kind of like a bit of a dead product sitting on the side. The resin's going to really adhere to that, and just really, the particles are going to suck it all in, so it's a really good thing. Anyway guys, so another good point to remember is when you're mixing your resin, I like to use the 2 bucket method. So once I've got it mixed, I pour it out of this bucket into another bucket, and then mix half volume in each bucket, and then mix the two again, and then just keep repeating that process 2 or 3 times, and that ensures to me that the resin is fully mixed. If you're looking for the best resin in New Zealand, make sure you get across to Wakay Resinzwood shop.com, and we're going to be having our brand of resin, which we're just waiting on the labels for, but we've also got other brands that we're going to be selling that you might like to use.